Hello everyone! Today I'd like to do a quick overall tour of our new products EK-818U and EK-812U. They share the same chassis, so I'd like to use this actual machine of EK-818U to get you closer to it and to show you the images that you do not see in the other medias. Overview: EK-818U and 812U are one-chip DLP laser projectors with WUXGA resolution. EK-818U's brightness is 9,500 centilumens, whereas EK-812U's brightness is 8,200 centilumens. The light source life is 20,000 hours. The big additional feature to EK-818U and EK-812U is that they can accept 4K resolution input signal, convert it, and project as WUXGA images on the screen. EK-818U and EK-812U have professional installation capabilities. They have 6 optional lenses, 360-degree free orientation, portrait projection, lens shift vertically plus/minus 50%, horizontally plus/minus 15%, keystone correction, 4-corner keystone correction, geometric correction, and blending function. With all those installation capabilities, EK-818U and EK-812U can satisfy various installation requirements. Here at the back is the input-output section. HD-Base-T, LAN, HDMI, HDMI2, 3D Sync In, 3D Sync Out, DVI-D, RS-232C, 3G SDI in, VGA out. In summary, EK-818U and EK-812U are WUXGA DLP laser projectors for professional installations. They accept 4K resolution signals. For more information, please visit our global website www.global.eiki.com.